Walk one peeps. We're there upon the tank again. No found where they on Instagram. Blood fire, bike and drift your foot. The found upon Instagram know what going on right now. I don't know my back tire boss. When you say back tire done, what you mean? What you mean? Back tire done, what you mean? So people, my tire is currently bursted. It's currently bursted from underneath the wheel. I'm currently sitting on the trunk of the vehicle. Going up the hill. Currently sitting on the top, let me show you. Tire should be bursted. I think it is bursted because it feels a bit away. So currently the tire bursted.
Back wheel puncher, what you mean?
Yes, a back wheel puncher, what you mean?
What you mean?
That
I
is it.
feel.
Yeah man. I know, what them say, a flat wheel.
Flat wheel. That's a Zamco puncher, what you mean?
Edit. Back tire bus, so me there. Go down the road, go get a tire. They'll come with them. Oh, we wonder with them there. They come like me, I move faster than them. I move faster than them than one time I one. Oh no! Like I drift your foot. Yeah, so I'm there I go get a new back tire you know. Got one local how the place name again? Local auto shop. Them sell bike parts and support. So I call them and them say, yo, rope drops. Them say, yeah man, we have it in stock. I don't know the shop. I don't know. Put on a brand new back tire and start active up back on the road again. Why DJ? Yeah, so I'm actually whoa actually in Temple right now. So I go down at the auto part shop down Deidre, aka Al's Green. So quick info, any of your back tire bus are flat. You see once a tubeless you can ride on it. You see tube tire, I don't recommend it riding on tube tires because you are gonna mash up the tube. You see me? So unless you're willing to mash up the tube, go ahead. Go tubeless. You see me? Yeah, so I'm almost reach right at so Temple Auto. Here down from now. Oh, slow down here, sir. Whee! Straight in. Jump off. Turn you back there. Alright. Knock knock. Alright. 2-5. And all these things on 16 bills. Yo, beg ya 190 back tire TVS. One them shall buy the 9090. I'm on the 190. See how that work out. And wheel bearings, left and right back wheel for the disc. All type of bike parts, you know. Brake pump and lever, side cover, yeah. Line, license, disc holder, everything. Shocks, swing arm, battery. What kind of battery that? Check in with me and do your job, bro. Gone up and watch. Party playing Jane. Oh man, I want one of them cheap ball bat too. H4. Just I buy one of them and done. 2.5. H11 for 5,000. Wow. Different plug on them, so I buy them. Buy one of them. One day me carry enough money. Oh, not trail me. Hey, watch yourself, you know. Not at all. So I buy one of them. I really never want to buy nothing cheap still, but just want to work with it for now. And then one day I got HID go and see what them have. Me say one of them have there. Good. That's it. Go Bali. You go Bali? Are you? Run again? Alright. The rocket me I get 10,000 from. And a rich man in a yacht. What you say, 10,000?
Yeah, 10,000.
We have 10,000. 250. Yes, people, so we're active now. We're not active yet. We have the tyre. TVS. This is first time I try TVS still, but I see it run on the bike because it depends on other people bike on the ride and ride nice. So strap it around my shoulder and jump on the cycle, you know, and reach our tyre shop and do, you know, soon forward. Yeah, so I'm on my way back. Well, on my way from the auto part shop to the tyre shop. Let them chew on the tyre real quick. The outer skirt, me say tyre. The wheels just go left, right. Windy. Can I turn me to blouse and skirt? The tyre shop the right down here, so don't miss for the gas station there. Those who are from the area don't know, you see me? Yeah man. Whoa! What do we at man? Me soon start pass so now. Again. Wait till me jump on this broad tyre. But see, me can't see back of me a rotted. Go to the center road, you know. Throw it over there, you know. Look, thing. Why DJ till there, man? Bomba, you sit down too quick, me J. Can drop on a tyre? Can drop on a tyre? Jaja. No problem. Rope straps. I'm certain a DJ bike this, you know. Actually, I have to pull off the wheel. You have adjustable? Big adjustable? Let me there. Tell me where there. Tell me where there. Bomba! They done just a take a race and me come disturb him, man. Jaja. TVS. She not interested in a bike, man. Take out the helmet here.
That's one tail. Tell me one tail. Right here. Oh yeah.
Just left out of the tyre shop. Just left out of the tyre shop. Just a test the tyre. So go and test it. You feel good, you feel alright. Back brake now hole, not at all. Well, it's a hole, you know, but it's slightly a hole, you know, not enough. Now hole enough. You know, like way. Ooh. You see? No, well, you know. I see them have no brake shoe. I'm supposed to want a brake shoe, brother. You have brake shoe? Yeah. Brake pad, not shoe. Brand new from my youth. How much for this? $1,000? Turn the front brake tomorrow. My $5 this, thanks. Alright, respect. 40. That's a new tire, bro, but I have to take time because I'll dip on it. Oh no, I don't know if you overtake right there, so. Oh no, me a jump a while like your friend. Yo! Ow! My heart jump a while like your friend. Yo, me brake weak, you freak dog. Me not feel nothing. Eh? Back brake weak.
Pump on the brake,
No, it pump up, but it come like a brake pad low.
and the tire, you want to burn out some of my
Me know, man. So now it me I do.
What do you mean by that, Charlie?
So I burn it off.
Burn off your Your bike.
Ah, yellow. Immortal, yeah, peep, so that's basically it. Oh, the man, I drive. That's basically it. So the new tire go on and ting. So don't know say I'm madness and now. No, really, I do not know outrageous because I don't burn it off. Usually when I put on a new tire, it's good to do like a little burnout, something to burn off the oil, and you know the tire itself I go slippery. So it's good for do a little burnout. But when me do some sliding, my back brake not really a hole, so I just buy with this pad, put in this pad. But me probably put them in tomorrow, because right now I have something I go deal with you now. You see me? So I don't have no time for that. So just I go home. If I can wipe off the rim, I wipe it off. Head back out. And ting. You see me? So big up on yourself. Enough respect. Hope you enjoy that video. You see me? Fast, granny. Machine! Now I go too crazy on that tire here. Just scrubbing it.